Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. Happy International Yoga Day. I am here to speak about my experience while doing yoga regularly, what benefits I am reaping from the program, and what are some of the experiences I share with Neelam. Let me change the order and start with by sharing how do I get to know about Neelam. Neelam was yoga instructor for my mother. She is 67-year old, and in that journey, I could see that my mother is reaping a lot of benefits from the yoga session. And this year, I got COVID positive. Um, COVID positive, and after that, not a lot of people talk about it. But post-COVID journey to come back to your natural self is also immensely challenging. And in that journey, I got Neelam as a partner. Right, I was facing a lot of difficulties while breathing normally, especially inhaling. So Neelam told me, and with the regular yoga practices, how can I, with some very effective asanas, how can I make my breathing, inhaling and exhaling normal. Right, it took some time. When I started only with a 20-minute session, and then slowly I progressed to a 1 hour session, because my body was not having that much strength for me even to continue with a 1 hour session. But I would say, with the regular practice and with the proper motivation from my yoga instructor, I got to that. And my flexibility, my energies are really aligned. As of now. One of the best things which I enjoy in yoga is enchanting mantras, meditation, and some of the pranayams that Neelam has curated for me. She has understood my body. She has understood what are some of the other things apart from corona that my body needs. So she has customized the program for me, and it really helps me, because I am also a PCOD patient, and some of the asanas that I do, I see that it's really impacting me. It's really giving me benefit, because I can see internally I am more positive, I am more happy, and I am more inclined to do more and more and give myself more and more to yoga. With current lockdown and a toddler at home, it becomes really difficult to focus on yourself. I think one of the best things that I'm learning is self discovery about myself, what my body can do and cannot do, and how much I can push my body. And when I was doing certain yoga postures under Neelam, I was surprised myself that I was able to do it. And but she is not very. And another thing which I liked is the sessions are not hurried. You get your time to you get time to correct a posture, to maintain the posture, and that's how I think I see the benefit of the program. With the meditations, I see it's not only body that is being focused upon here, but it is also your overall well-being, which covers your mind, which is extremely important in today's scenario, that we need to focus on having a positive mindset. Our energy is to be aligned, and that's where yoga comes into picture. So if anyone watches this video and gets inspired to enroll themselves into yoga, I think it will be the best decision. Not only me, I have after seeing me getting certain benefits apart from weight loss, that's one aspect of it. My husband also got interested, and he's also enrolled with Neelam, and he's taking his sessions now. I am happy, and I am thankful to my mother that she recommended Neelam to me, and I am thankful to Neelam that she truly became my partner in my overall well-being. Thank you so much.